In a world where respiratory health is constantly under siege from environmental factors and seasonal changes, finding effective natural support is key. Today we turn our attention to an ancient spice with powerful modern science backing its claims: clove tea. We're not just brewing a warm drink, we are unleashing the respiratory benefits of its star molecule, eugenol. For centuries, cloves, derived from the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, have been used in traditional medicine. But let's delve into the chemistry. The true power lies in eugenol, a yellow, oily aromatic compound that makes up over 80% of clove essential oil. Eugenol primarily acts as a robust anti-inflammatory agent. When your airways become constricted, inflamed, or irritated, a common symptom of conditions like asthma or acute bronchitis, the body produces inflammatory mediators. Eugenol scientifically intervenes by inhibiting the enzyme cyclooxygenase 2, or COX2. By blocking this pathway, eugenol effectively dampens the inflammatory cascade, reducing the swelling in your bronchial tubes and making every breath a little easier. This is a targeted biological mechanism similar to many pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories, proving its credible efficacy. Second, eugenol is a formidable natural antimicrobial. Its lipophilic nature allows it to penetrate the cell walls of various pathogens, including bacteria and certain fungi, disrupting their structural integrity. This causes cell lysis, the breakdown of the pathogen, which helps reduce the microbial load contributing to respiratory infections. It's an internal cleansing action that has made clove oil a trusted component in traditional pain management, particularly in dental applications, for its numbing and germicidal properties. Now that we understand the molecular powerhouse at the core, let's focus on preparation. To create the ideal base tea, use approximately 4 to 6 whole cloves per 8 ounces of boiling water. Cover the infusion and allow it to steep for a minimum of 10 minutes to ensure maximum extraction of the beneficial compounds. Strain and serve. But we can enhance the tea's therapeutic potential through synergistic ingredients. First, or ginger dagger. The gingerols and shogalls in ginger are well-known scientific expectorants. They help stimulate the secretion of thin, easily mobile mucus from the respiratory tract, helping you physically clear congestion. Furthermore, ginger acts as a mild bronchodilator, relaxing the smooth muscle around the airways to facilitate easier breathing. Second, add a raw honey. This acts as a superb demulcent. Its high viscosity forms a protective coating over the irritated mucous membranes of the throat, reducing the mechanical irritation that triggers persistent coughing. Beyond its soothing nature, certain types of honey contain mild antibacterial properties due to the enzymatic production of hydrogen peroxide. Third, lemon juice, our source of essential ascorbic acid or vitamin C. While it doesn't directly act on the lungs, vitamin C is a critical component for systemic immune health. It supports the function of phagocytes and promotes the production of T cells, the body's key defenders. It is also vital for collagen production, aiding in the repair of any tissue damaged by respiratory infection. Finally, we introduce Craoli turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, provides a powerful synergy with eugenol. While eugenol targets the COX2 pathway, curcumin targets a major inflammatory regulator called the NF-κB pathway. By engaging 2 distinct molecular pathways simultaneously, you create a far more comprehensive and robust anti-inflammatory effect than using either spice alone. In summary, clove tea offers a science-backed quartet of benefits: powerful anti-inflammatory action, broad-spectrum antimicrobial defense, synergistic immune support, and the practical relief of an expectorant. Remember to always use whole cloves, not clove oil, in your tea. While generally safe, if you are on blood-thinning medication or are pregnant, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating clove tea into your daily routine. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of natural wellness. Here's to deeper, easier breaths.